What's the name of this hotel?
I have no clue, but look at that.
Oh, interesting. Wow, I love this cab. Look at this.
I don't know. You just got our fast in this hotel, and I didn't even catch the name.
Whoa, look at those vents. It's all like just crafted wood.
Yeah, very beautiful cabs.
Yeah.
We'll go 1 or 2.
Let's go 2 and switch.
Yeah, I think all the elevators in here are going to be hydros then.
We're in Napa, and it's like 7 in the morning. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, look at that. Kind of dips down, huh?
Yeah, this resort has tons and tons of buildings, but it's so early that none of them are open right now.
A bit worn out.
Traditional.
I'm gonna go up to 3.
If no one's out here, then you should.
I like that light.
Yeah, very fast level. You went in on 2 or 1?
Oh, that's down too.
I'm very disappointed these aren't traction. I thought for sure these are really traction. Yeah, these things are really tall. And very nice. Bless you. Sneezing in my video.
Hey. Damn, this is a nice ass place. Oh man.